So day 3 of my little Iceland trip, and this is a little bit more challenging. I did challenge myself because we're going to head into the mountains a little bit more, but I've also been recommended a really lovely restaurant that I want to go to for dinner, but it's sort of on the way out from where the hotel is and on the way back is the restaurant, so won't get time to change. But heading to the mountains, it's going to be cold. And while I might look a little bit odd, I really just wanted to show you, obviously the coat again is going to come in really handy. The Mark Kane one 599, that's with the sleeve. So if you've missed day 1 and 2, this will look really kind of confusing, but the jacket has sleeves, but they just pop it out, slip out. So I've got my gilet as well. So when I'm heading inside to the restaurant, I can take the sleeves off. That's fine. It just still gives me that extra layer. So feather, as I said, is down. It's lightweight. It is super cozy and warm. And that is Mark Kane at 599. Now the pieces underneath. Brody Cashmere, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about this because this is a new brand for us. Beautiful cashmere sweaters, and you can see just fabulous colours. Their kind of signature is these little pops of colours, these highlights of colours, bold colours in the cashmere. They're all 100% cashmere. So really warm. They also use the long fibres to prevent the pilling, and they do this kind of 7,000 rub test which helps prevent it. So perfect for travelling, perfect going somewhere cold, and has beautiful handle and super warm to weight ratio. Right, the little top underneath, and it is a top, it's not just a scarf. I'll show you in a second because I'll kind of de-layer because I am going out and I want to be smart. But the jeans, these are the Brax, these are the Shakira jeans, a little bit of bling on my pocket here. These are 145. Actually, I didn't give you the price on the sweater, which is 349. As I say, 100% cashmere. I still need to be sturdy on my feet. I still need warm toes. So I've gone for the Pioneer boot, again in the Emu, because they are all sheepskin lined. They still have the solid sole. They still have a grip there. Just a little bit smarter than the walking boot though, for when I'm heading into the restaurant. So having done the bit of kind of mountain treks and seen the volcanoes, then I do have the option, and this is where the blouse underneath comes in. So this is one of the DQ Debal blouses. This is silk. It's a silk stretch, so 95% silk, and then you have that 5% stretch in it. Lovely fabric because it's silk, so it feels amazing against the skin. They are great. I hate to say it as an underpinning because they're too fabulous to be an underpinning, but they're really good because they've got that extra warmth, so perfect for my trip to Iceland. They've got stretch, they're all fully washable as well. But you know, this is perfect for me to be able to go to the restaurant later in the evening. It is just a loose little top here. So it will sit over, or as I did it before, just doing that little half French tuck, just coming over. Just sits over at the back, so just sort of half covering your bottom there. And the bit that you saw at the top of the sweater that I created into the scarf is this lovely tie. So you'll see it doubles round. You can just tie it just once and just have it loose as a tie, or you can do the little pussy bow and have the little bow there, looking great. And I used it over the sweater to create that scarf look. So I've got my outfit, I've got the warmth, I've got the coziness, but then actually just feel a little bit special for the special restaurant that's been recommended. So day 3, fabulous trip to Iceland.